Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm so excited to be finally using this. I used the Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. This palette is amazing. My friend Evie asked me if I could use this purple shade right here, and you guys, it blends like a dream. Like, these shadows are so good. If you don't have any Jeffree Star palettes, highly recommend them. I did get the mini controversy palette as well, so I'm definitely going to do a tutorial with that. So that'll be my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Conspiracy palette, then keep watching. The first shade I'm going to dip into is Not a Fact, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M506 brush to just pat this into the crease. Brush, I'm going to go in with Pigment, and I'm just going to place this against Not a Fact. Next, using this random shader brush, I'm going to go back into Not a Fact and place this on the outer corner. I'm also going to place Not a Fact in the inner corner as well. Next up, taking this flat brush from INFLUENSTER, I'm going to go in with the shade Diet Cola and place it in the center of the lid where I haven't applied any eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to go back in to Not a Fact, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in with Diet Cola. Next up, for fun, and just because I've been dying to use this shade, I'm going to go in with Food Vibes and put this on the lower lash line. Next, I'm dipping into Ranch, and I'm just going to pop this on my inner corner. And just kind of blend it out with my finger. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. And here's the completed look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see more videos with this palette, let me know in the comments down below. I kind of want to do a palette bingo with this. I don't know why, but let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments, because I will gladly do that for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.